The future of sales presentations and meetings is evolving. The world is looking for more efficiency in conjunction with traditional presentation and meeting methods. These conventional methods grapple with escalating costs, geographically scattered clients and meeting participants. A resolution is surfacing from an exciting new solution, YepNation's private immersive platforms. This technology provides a way to streamline these communication methods. It's a blend of cutting-edge tech and refined strategy. This convergence revolutionizes the traditional sales and meeting landscape, propelling it into an immersive virtual space, all at affordable budgets. The benefits of using a private immersive platform for sales, meetings and presentations are significant. It offers an infinite exhibit space and customer interaction, regardless of location. It reduces the need for physical setup and maintenance. It also leverages conversational AI characters that talk with visitors to your YepNation immersive space. The character can discuss any topic in detail and be an effective virtual salesperson. Furthermore, it gives businesses a unique competitive advantage, while setting them apart in a world valuing novelty and innovation. Ready to step into the future? The YepNation private immersive platforms provide a cost-effective way to pre-qualify clients in a realistic 3D showcase environment. This is especially important for large or complex equipment. They also offer an engaging immersive meeting space that can extend the connections of a live event. Contact us today for a demonstration.